Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Shalu Joshi Bhardwaj. I want to discuss and start the series regarding the reading IELTS exam. Today I'll be discussing the first and the basic strategy to attempt this reading exam. Okay? But before moving ahead, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. All set? Let's start. There are three basic strategies for IELTS attempting IELTS reading exam. The first is skimming, scanning, and intensive reading. You might have heard about this, but these are the basic things. And I'll tell you one by one how today we'll be discussing skimming only. So I'll tell you how to master this skimming strategy. Okay? Before starting, I would like to tell you what is skimming. Skimming is basically quickly looking over the given text. Means you do not read each and everything. You just roll your eyes over the text. Okay? And what is the purpose of it? So you should know why you're doing this. You do this skimming to get an overview of the text. Okay, so you just want to have an idea what is this text all about. So this process of looking over the text quickly without stopping at anywhere in between, you take the idea or understand the gist or understand the point of the author. That is skimming. Like while reading a newspaper, in the morning you pick up the newspaper and you start looking at it. Right? When you look at it, you do not read all the news. You just read the headings. Or you just look at little bit of it, a part of it, and you get the idea what it is about. Yes, that is skimming. Or you pick up the magazine, you start flipping it over, changing its pages to find something that will interest you. Okay, so this is skimming. For doing skimming in the IELTS exam, what you need to do is whenever you get the question booklet before starting, you need to read the question first. You need to know what actually you are looking for. Okay? So always read the question first. And most of the questions in IELTS reading exam comes as they appear in the text. Okay? And next is pay close attention to the headings and subheadings. Means the titles that are given. So if it is written why does this thing happen? Then you will come to know that okay fine this passage is discussing the reasons for it. How to overcome. We come to know. So here some solutions they are being given. Okay? So this is skimming. Now I'll tell you how to do it. To do the skimming, you should read the title. If it is not given, read the topic sentence. Topic sentence is first sentence in the paragraph. It contains the keywords. It contains the phrases that tells that what author is about to discuss. What is his point of view? Okay? So most of the times you do get the idea what the coming passages or coming text is all about. Okay? Then is the concluding sentence. So, what you need to do is you read the first sentence, then go back to the last sentence. This I'm talking about the paragraph. For the full text, you can say introductory paragraph, the first paragraph, and the last paragraph. Okay? So, you just read these two things and you will get an idea what author is going talking about in this passage. Then along with next thing is you start underlining or highlighting the keywords. What all do you want to highlight? What is keyword? Keyword is basically something that is helping you attempting your answer, finding your answer. So, like Any specific date is given, any specific name of a person, name of a place, or topic specific vocabulary. And you may also find few unfamiliar words, like some difficult vocabulary for which you don't know its meaning. I'll come to it later, but you should underline all of them because these are the things which will help you to reach to the answer. And finally, any illustrations if there. All right? So this is how you do the skimming. You must be practicing it. Still you are finding difficulty? Means you read the topic sentence, you read the concluding sentence, but you are not finding out the answers. You're still finding it difficult. Then what to do? I have a tip. Start looking for the signposting expressions. These are like however, moreover, besides, further. It means you will have an idea that this thing is what is talking about. So, in the next sentences, how are they linked and what actually is being talked about? And you should, may also look for the specific, the particular adjectives and adverbs. For example, you read one sentence and you couldn't find it. And the next sentence, it's showing that the basic reason or the main reason, particular reason for this is this. So, this adjective, it helps you to find out that, okay, fine, the main thing is something important is being talked about. Similarly, adverbs. So, this is the way you can skim the reading. Practice this. This is going to help you a lot. So, in the next video, I'll be discussing the scanning and intensive reading, and I'm sure if with proper practice, you will master this. Till then, goodbye, guys. Good luck.